Hi guys, how you doing? I haven't posted a video in a while, but yeah, let's talk about Zendaya. How amazing is she? I would give her 100, or maybe beyond 100. Anyways, it's crazy how every time she's with a guy or takes a picture of a guy, everybody wants to say that's her new boo thing. It's like, let's be for real now. A girl can't be best friends with a guy without nothing going on. Let's be for real. But anyways, let's talk about her style. Her style is like beyond 100. Nobody could beat Zendaya's style. I'm sorry. She is a style fashionista. Fashionista? Yeah.